Okay, we got a little boilerplate. Let's see if how this works. Go to here. We do JavaScript demo. Well, whatever. Okay. Slash demo. Yes. Edit settings. Okay. All templates reloaded. Okay. So now we should have a page underneath localhost/demo that says body. Yes, correct. And now we can add some JavaScript. And how I will do that is I'll go to my demo widget here, and I will add the okay. Pause a bit. Okay, let's think. I wanted to add my Nashorn widget, but it wasn't enabled because by default we don't enable it. It's really a JDK 8 feature, so, and we're guessing that still a lot of people are using JDK 7, so we disabled it by default. And how we can enable it is to go to go back all the way back to the root folder, and then you can open the build Gradle file, and you just need to uncomment this widget. It's the module Nashorn widget, and when you do that, you can execute this command here. Copy, paste. Oh, I cannot do that, so I have to do sudo. Okay. Su. Okay. Home, just see desktop. Okay. Paste my command. Hey, what? Oh. Exit. I already thought it's a bit strange because normally I don't have the permission problem. The thing is, what I need to do is probably I need to do this. And now, yeah, now I won't have a problem. This will take a few seconds, so I will pause the video from here. Yeah, I think that is, don't need to see this. Okay, I had to pause a bit. I got all the new updates, and as you can see here, there's also a module which we need, so we go in it again, and we got a new folder too with all the new updates, so you can still go back to the old one, but we'll go in here and run it. And if everything, oh, sorry, I was a bit distracted. and if everything goes well, we should see a new data handler here. Let's wait till it started. Yes. Oops, I have to log in. Yeah. To log in, go here, and there it is. We got our Nashorn widget of data handler. To use it, just select it, and as you can see, we got a new bar here, our file browser, and we will be able to select files. Well, we haven't created a JavaScript file yet, so we'll do that first. Files, okay. So save. Yeah, then we can go to the script itself. We add it, browse, we go to Nashorn, okay, we save it, and then actually we'll go to the GitHub page of this Nashorn plugin. Let's see here, to get some boilerplate code. I will put that boilerplate code inside the JavaScript file here, and as you can see, I have to modify it a little bit. This is starting to make more sense, probably. What we can do here is db core articles find. Now then, of course, we need a db core art and a collection article, so we will create that. Let's see what the file said. It's articles, okay. I get a new content type. I'll use that. Title. Save. Add our body. Which string. Text area, save, articles, create a new demo, save. Okay, well, I created 2 quick articles here about the content stuff you can see in another screencast. I won't go over that right now. What I will do is I will get this article, and I can manipulate that with my JavaScript. So if I go back to my config, my file, see here, what I'll get here, what will happen is I will or the data handler will process this function first. It will insert server variables, so I won't do anything with that. I will just return them. the result of this function here, which right now is only gonna be the exact same server variables as they came in. So that will be put in a variable called pre-database data, and I could use that here to manipulate this search query. So I could say if the query path was page is equals 2, then I could say something like limit for, or sort, or, well, you can imagine. First I will check if I actually got this database. So because I'm not too sure at the moment, refresh. I got localhost core articles, DB core articles. So this is actually my database, my DB. Here, this, you could read this as localhost.core.articles, localhost.core.articles, and then see here we should have demo and non-demo. Okay, so what this will do is it will return not the query, but it will replace this query with the result of this query. So what will happen then is you return a JavaScript object with a attribute articles, which holds the value of the result of this query. I hope that is clear, and otherwise I will go over it again. But first, for now, we'll look at what will happen. Then the result of this will go into this function. The result of that will come out, and that this one will be put on your screen. So let's see what happens. Save the content, save it. I have it enabled here in my widget. Oh no, first I have to, because I now added the Nashorn data handler, and I added the JavaScript file. So now I'll have to insert them into the template, and I do that by adding a param, and the param is Nashorn, and I will do this, and then I will say here Nashorn, and it should just print out what we got. So let's see what we got, and as you see, it's the raw data, which we can of course filter here, because if I do this on, I'll save it, see, then I'll get this, I will get this one, or actually I will get the value of that. So I will keep this piece, and as you see, keep that, and of course I can go further. I can iterate over this and do whatever. Okay, for now I will just leave it like this, go over it, and as you see, it's the raw data. Okay, that's about it for now. I will go over all the yeah, what to say. I can go over all the possibilities what you can do here, but I will look what I will do. Maybe I'll add some extra content to this screencast, or I'll just leave it at this, very small, and then create additional screencasts with all little nice tutorials and examples. I will see. I will have to think about that a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I decided to keep the screencast short. So for now, this is it, and hope you will watch the next screencast to see what you can do with this setup. So, okay, goodbye.